This tutorial supplements the reading of the user manuals provided in the packages by presenting the different steps of INR testing with LabPad. The procedure is the same whether with the LabPad INR or like in this tutorial with the LabPad Evolution. To begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. A LabPad, which should be placed on a flat, stable, vibration-free surface. An unexpired Tsmart INR in its individual pouch. A lancet, preferably of gauge 21. The personal protective equipment needed to perform the sampling. And finally, if that is your preference for sampling, a pipette, not supplied with the kit, but which can be ordered as an option. Turn on the LabPad, select New Test on the top, and then INR by using the triangular navigation buttons. Once ready, the LabPad will prompt you to insert the Tsmart. Open the pouch and take out the Tsmart. Once out of its packet, the Tsmart should be used within 10 minutes. Insert the Tsmart into the LabPad, press firmly until you hear a click. Make sure that the Tsmart is well locked into the LabPad. A badly inserted Tsmart can prevent the realization of the test. Following the insertion of the Tsmart, the LabPad performs internal controls and then preheats to prepare for the test. When the LabPad is ready for the test, a screen prompts you to deposit the blood sample on the plate of the Tsmart. You then have 2 minutes to proceed with capillary sampling. Use the lancet to prick the finger of the patient. Then, massage the finger gently to obtain a capillary blood drop of minimum 5 microliters. Bring the patient's finger over the plate of the Tsmart to transfer the hanging blood drop onto it. Only the hanging drop must touch the middle of the plate. To ensure proper filling, the patient's finger should not be pressed on the plate. This will block the microchannel. The blood must be deposited in one go. Once the Tsmart is filled correctly, the LabPad beeps and starts the measurement. In case a pipette is used, approach the pipette horizontally until it touches the blood drop without squeezing the bulb. The blood must rise by simple capillary action up to the mark located at the vent hole. Then bring the pipette over the plate of the Tsmart to transfer the blood at the level of the fluidic vein by pressing gently on the pipette or bulb. Once the Tsmart is filled correctly, the LabPad beeps and starts the measurement. When the measurement is complete, the result is displayed on the screen and the LabPad beeps at regular intervals until the Tsmart is ejected. To dispose of the Tsmart, turn the LabPad face down over a biological waste bin and press the side button. Do not manually remove a used Tsmart from the insertion slot of the LabPad to avoid damaging its internal mechanics. After the Tsmart's ejection, the LabPad stops beeping and the display returns to the reverse chronological list of stored results. The last obtained result is located at the top of the list. Use the triangular navigation buttons to scroll through the results list. Press the middle button to access all available information related to the selected result. Press the navigation buttons to select the desired unit, INR, prothrombin time, or QuickTime. To go back to the chronological list, press the middle button. The procedure is over and the LabPad is ready for a new test.